Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Creeper Mine is probably one of the most exciting LEGO sets for Minecraft fans. Today, we're diving deep into this blocky world, exploring every detail of the Creeper Mine set. From the iconic characters to the interactive features, we'll uncover what makes this set a must-have for builders and gamers alike. Get ready to explore the depths of the Minecraft universe, brick by brick, and see if this set is worth adding to your collection. Number 5. LEGO Star Wars Imperial Star Destroyer 75252. Behold the Devastator, a LEGO Star Wars Ultimate Collector series. This giant model is a must-have for any Star Wars collector. It's a true icon of the saga. This Imperial Star Destroyer model comes with a display stand and an informational fact plaque. It also includes 2 Imperial minifigures with weapons. This set offers a truly authentic galactic Civil War experience. This incredible set also includes a buildable scale model of the Tantive 4. Fans will instantly recognize it from the opening scenes of Star Wars: A New Hope. This LEGO Star Wars Ultimate Collector series is a challenging building experience. It's a great gift for serious LEGO brick and Star Wars fans aged 16 and up. This 4,784-piece collectible measures over 17 inches high, 43 inches long, and 26 inches wide on its display stand. It's huge, making it a stunning centerpiece. What we like. This model is a massive replica, perfect for display. It comes with a stand and informational plaque, making it a true collector's item. If you are a serious Star Wars fan looking for a centerpiece, this is the one. What people say. The level of surface detail relative to the 2002 Star Destroyer release, almost equals 3,000 pieces, is stunning. Brilliant use of existing pieces, no new pieces were created, only one had to be recast in gray, and a build approach that shows deep three-dimensional thinking. This set is absolutely massive. Number 4. LEGO Minecraft The Frozen Peaks 21243. Welcome to the Frozen Peaks. This set lets you build, battle, and explore the icy biome. It's an exciting adventure for Minecraft fans. Construct a shelter and explore the taiga forest. This set includes an exploding TNT function. It's a blast. Search the frozen peaks, mine ore, and gather food. You can explore the dripstone cave. This set provides everything you need. Use the goat's ramming feature to knock mobs off the mountain. It features coal, iron, and emerald ore. The action never stops. This set includes a Steve figure, a creeper, and a stray Minecraft mob. It also features a goat animal toy. They are ready for action. It includes a crafting table, torch, and toy diamond sword. These accessories add to the fun. It's a complete package. This action-packed playset is a great gift for kids aged 8 and up. It's part of the LEGO Minecraft building toys. Get ready for fun. What we like. This set brings the icy Minecraft biome to life with an exploding TNT function. It includes Steve, Creeper, and other figures for exciting battles. If you like the thrill of exploration and combat in a frozen landscape, this set is ideal for you. What people say. The set is very detailed. The mine itself is very cool. The set is a great build. Number 3. LEGO Minecraft The Badlands Mineshaft 21263. Welcome to the Badlands Mineshaft. This set is perfect for young Minecraft fans. It features an abandoned mine filled with exciting adventures. Meet the characters. This set includes the Badlands Explorer, a creeper, a cave spider, and more. They're ready for action in the mine. Use TNT to blast through the mine. Kids can trigger an explosion to access valuable resources. It's a fun and interactive experience. Transport ore in a minecart and battle the Minecraft spider, creeper, and other mobs. This set brings the game to life with hands-on creativity. Looking for a gift? This LEGO Minecraft set is a great choice for birthdays or any special occasion. It offers hours of creative play. This set measures over 7.5 inches high, 9 inches wide, and 8 inches deep. It's packed with features and ready for epic adventures. What we like. The Badlands Mineshaft offers a thrilling mining experience with a hand-operated explosion feature. It includes a variety of Minecraft figures, perfect for reenacting adventures. If you enjoy action-packed play and creative building, this set will provide hours of fun. What people say. The instruction booklet has very good pictures, making it easy to assemble. There are a lot of pieces, but each section is packaged together so he could open and complete them before moving on to the next step. All pieces were there and he put it all together in one day. Number 2. Minecraft, The Island, the first official Minecraft novel. Embark on an epic adventure with this official Minecraft novel. It tells a thrilling story of survival and discovery in the blocky world. The story follows a lone survivor, stranded on an island. He must learn to survive and thrive in this unfamiliar environment. He quickly learns the importance of crafting tools and building shelter. The island is full of challenges, and he needs to be prepared. As he explores, he uncovers the island's secrets and faces dangerous creatures. This book is full of excitement. This is the first official novel based on the popular game. It's a must-read for Minecraft fans of all ages. What we like. This novel offers an official Minecraft story, perfect for fans of the game. It features an engaging narrative that will immerse you in the Minecraft world. If you are looking to dive deeper into the Minecraft universe, this book is a must-have. What people say. The plot was great and fluent, and the author was descriptive enough in his writing that it actually felt real. He learns that he can craft different objects that help him survive, and he learns that his body is powerful in some ways, but also weak in others. He manages to keep himself safer with his newfound gear. Number 1. LEGO Minecraft The Creeper Mine 21155 Building Kit. Welcome to the world of Minecraft. This set lets you build and explore the iconic Creeper Mine. It's packed with exciting features and characters. The set features a huge creeper statue. It's the centerpiece of the mine. You can't miss it. Ride the rails with the minecart. It's a fun way to travel through the mine. There are also 3 explosive functions. The set includes a shelter with a bed, anvil, oven, and chest. It's a great place to rest after a long day of mining. It provides everything you need. Meet Steve, a blacksmith, and a husk. They are ready for adventure. This set also includes creeper, cow, and bat figures. This set has 834 pieces and is suitable for ages 8 and up. It can be combined with other LEGO sets. It's perfect for creative building. What we like. This set lets you build and explore a creeper mine with explosive functions. It includes Steve and other figures, bringing the game to life. If you like the classic creeper theme and enjoy hands-on adventures, this set is perfect for you. What people say. He is 8 and built it with very little help. Then he went on to build more Minecraft-styled things from his extra Legos from other sets. It gets them to use their brains and hands versus consume media on a device. Once built, my son won't stop playing with it. It gets played with all the time and it's a good base for toy soldiers as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.